And we're gonna head out to a cool little secret swimming hole. There's smoke. Look, there's smoke. Oh, she's cooked. Yeah. Look at this guy. Well, g'day and welcome to JoeJoeMoto. Oh my goodness, it has been a long time since I've ridden. Well, the opportunity came up for a ride and I could not pass it up. We're out here with Mr. Luke, my brother, and just for an awesome strap today. And we're gonna head out to a cool little secret swimming hole, if we can find it. So we'll see, that's the mission today. Some nice tracks and then hit up an awesome swim mid-ride. Hey, it's gonna be great because it's hot, man. It is so hot. I've got my like adventure-y or neck I don't know what to call it, like scarf almost. It's all wet down and trying to keep me cool because whoa, yeah, it's hot. Hey, it's real hot. But oh man, it has been, I was just thinking then, it's got to be at least 2 months. I reckon 2 months since I've ridden a dirt bike. Whoa, that front tire is skitsy. We just put air in our tires and I think I put too much in. Whoa, Sandy! Yee-hoo! I'm not, oh that's cool, they're cleaning up. Yeah, I don't want to just like go beeline straight there. Yeah. We'll find some cool stuff on the way, but yeah. My clutch is like, the actuation point is about there somewhere. Oh. It's got all of this play and then it just about there somewhere. I need to bleed it. Oh, bleed it or something maybe. I don't know, I'm hoping it'll, might even just come good. It hasn't been ridden for a couple of months. Yeah, I worked it out that it was before, it was definitely before I went, I'm pretty definite it was before I went on my road bike the last time, and that was 7 weeks ago. So I reckon it was before that. I'll have to look at the dates, but yeah, I reckon it's been a good month, like good 2 months, I reckon. Wow. Anyway, it's all good. Way, big old Rockies. Oh, oh, he's off. Woohoo! How's this quiet? How's this? And a big dog. How's this dog? Hey puppy! Hey, shh, be quiet. You know, with those good dirt biker type, you know? Shh. Can't pull over, there's no shade. Now I can pull over. What's going on? Front brakes. Oh, it's cooking, man! Right. What's going on? I just felt like a front brake and then something started binding and feeling a bit funky, so... Yeah, she's cooking. Nothing there was smoke. Look, there's smoke. Was it dropped the pad out or something? Nah, I know exactly what it is. What do you reckon? I reckon I know. This gives me clues. Oh. Oil, but why? I reckon I've lost front brake entirely though. Yeah, so your pads are probably oil soaked. That's gone, is it? Yeah. Wow. Hey, bro. Oh, she's cooked. Cooking, isn't it? Yeah. Hey, man. Don't stop, hey, just keep going. I would have stopped if that was me, you know?
Yeah, same.
Man, you can smell it, hey?
Yeah.
Big smells.
Felt a bit funny on one pull.
Yeah.
Still had a bit of brake there, gave it another pull, it felt like it came back, then a couple of metres up the road, went to hit it again, it just whoop, whoop, nothing.
Nothing at all, hey?
Yeah. Bugger. I'm sitting there doing it, yeah, woo, it's so good to be back.
I know. So was I.
Temporarily.
Brakes only slow you down anyway.
Well, that's right. That's what I was kind of thinking.
I guess if you let it cool down, you know how I've lost rear brakes so many times, remember? Just the same thing, nothing at all, and you just let it sit for a bit, let it cool down.
Might come back.
Might come back, hey?
Granted, I did give it a couple of big pulls, but
Yeah.
I think I've been a lot harder than that before.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah, that's like, yeah.
Yeah, like you say, just keep riding and stay off it for a bit. And
yeah, let it properly cool down a bit. They're getting some air flow, and I reckon it could come back to decent. All right, Mr. Luke's great ride. She was cooking, eh? Anyway, yeah. So as we just had a little break then. Threw the drone up just to check out the area. Woo! It did not have GPS signal and I nearly lost the thing straight into a whole bunch of trees way away. Oh, heart-stopping moment, hey. Woo! Anyway. Oh, snake! I don't know if you guys would have seen that one. The GoPro's not exactly facing down enough. Little snaky snake on the road, and this hot Queensland sun. It is baking today. How's this little paradise, eh? Oh, cool. Any little fishies or anything? G'day. What is that? Huh? What's that?
Behind too.
Behind. Oh yeah, hey mate. It's old mate again. He is cruising around. What a legend.
I think it's not going to help anyone.
No. How's the van though coming through here? That's random. He's doing jumps in it. Hey guys, how's it going? Having a good day? Hot enough, eh? We are dying. That's where we're going now. We're going for a swim. It's too hot. Nice variety of bikes you got going too. Awesome. Alright, enjoy your day, hey? Oh, missed my back brake. Oh, straight in. So awesome to see a whole family of riders out there, hey. That's great. Thank you, that's 0 now. Yeah, another family of riders. That's cool, man. Love seeing that, hey? Alright, our mission success. Look at this. Mission success. Water hole for swimming. Awesome, awesome stuff, man. It's gonna be great to cool off in here. What a spot, what a treat, hey? Halfway through a ride to go for a swim like that. Beautiful, beautiful spot. This could be our new thing, hey? Woo!